Hello students, my name is Kezia. I will be teaching you English through these online classes. I would like to extend my warmest wishes to you all on the beginning of the new academic year. So please be cooperative and work hard. I am looking forward to a year of learning. Wish you all a grand and successful year ahead. Children, today I am not going to teach you new things to you, because it is our first day of this academic year. So first I would like to recall what you have learnt in the past academic year. Hope you all are ready to learn and ready to practice again. So please everyone, ask your parent and take a 4-rule notebook and pencil and eraser. Trust everyone have got your things what you need to do practice. Now I will show you how to write the capital letters A to Z on the board. Children, please look at the board. Here, these are 4 lines. See here, left side of the corner you can write date 1919/06. You can write date here left side of the corner. On the top of the page, you can write capital letters CAPITAL, capital LETTERS, capital letters A to Z. Capital letters A to Z. In the first line, you can keep 1 dot and leave that line. From the second line onwards, you can start your writing of capital letters. See here children, each and every capital letter should be have to written like this in 3 lines, red line to blue lines. Children, while writing of capital letters, you must have to follow the lines properly. See here how I wrote here, red line to blue lines. Each and every letter should be 3 lines, in 3 lines, red line to blue lines only you need to use for capital letters. See here capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F, capital G, capital H, capital I, capital J, capital K, capital L, capital M, capital N, capital O, capital P, capital Q, capital R, capital S, capital T, capital U, capital V, capital W, capital X, capital Y, capital Z. Children, now you understand how to write capital letters. Now I am going to our next topic, small letters. See here children, on the top of the page, on the red line, you can start your writing of heading like this, SMALL small, LETTERS small letters A to Z. Everyone write on the top of the page, SMALL small, LETTERS small letters A to Z. And also in the first line you can keep 1 small dot and leave that line. Don't write anything in the first line. From second line onwards you can start your writing of small letters. Children, while writing of small letters, see here how I wrote here. Small a should be in between of 2 blue lines. Small b should be red line to blue lines. That means 3 lines you need to use to write small b. Again in between of 2 blue lines small c, red line to blue line small d, in between of 2 blue lines small e, red line to blue line small f. See here children, small z, you need to write blue lines to down red line. Blue lines to down red line. Again red line to blue line small h, in between of 2 blue lines small I, blue lines to down red line small j. Again red line to blue line small k, red line to blue line small l, in between of 2 blue lines small m, small n, small o. Again come to next line, blue lines to down red line small p. See here children, small p we need to write blue lines to down red line small p, blue lines to down red line small q, in between of 2 blue lines small r, small s. Again red line to blue line small t, red line to blue line small t. Come to next line, in between of 2 blue lines small u, in between of 2 blue lines small v, in between of 2 blue lines small w, small x. Again blue lines to down red line small y. Children, while writing of small y you must have to follow the lines. Blue lines to down red line small y, in between of 2 blue lines small z. Children, hope you all are understand how to write the capital letters A to Z and small letters A to Z. Now I am going to introduce some words for you for reading purpose. See here children, look at the board and repeat after me. Capital A, small a. apple, apple, apple. Capital B, small b, bird, 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 bird. Capital C, small c, cat, 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 cat. Capital D, small d, duck, 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 duck. Capital E, small e, elephant, 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 elephant. Capital F, small f, fish, 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 fish. Capital G, small g, goat, 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 goat. Capital H, small h, hat, hat, hat. Capital I, small i, igloo, igloo, igloo. Capital J, small j, jug, jug, jug. Capital K, small k, kite, kite, kite. Capital L, small l, lamp, lamp, lamp. Capital M, small m, mat, mat. Capital N, small n, nest, nest. Capital O, small o, octopus, octopus, octopus. Octopus. Capital P, small p, parrot, parrot, parrot. Capital Q, small q, quilt, quilt. Capital R, small r, rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. Capital S, small s, snowman, man, snowman, snowman. Capital T, small t, train, train. Capital U, small u, umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Capital V, small v, violin, violin, violin. Capital W, small w, whale, whale. Capital X, small x, xerox, xerox. Capital Y, small y, yellow, yellow. Capital Z, small z, zoo, zoo. Children, hope you all understand how to write capital letters, small letters, and how to read the words also. So, you can practice at home these letters and words in your 4-rule notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.